Fedora install Zoom. How to install Zoom on Fedora 41. Let's search for install Zoom. Then go to the download center. Choose Fedora. And I will download. Open where the file is downloaded. And I can just open the terminal here. So open terminal in this directory. And I can just do DNF install. And the package name is Zoom. So I can just type Zoo and press tab to autocomplete. Then press enter. Of course, it requires sudo exclamation mark. That's going to bring the previous command, and then enter. Enter your user password. I'll just type Y, enter. There we go. Zoom is installed. And if I come here under internet, I'm on XFCE, I can open Zoom. All right, that's how to install Zoom on Fedora 41.